In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram password. And guys, if you find this video helpful, can remember to like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any issue, kindly comment so that I can correct it in the next video, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing we need to do is click on the Instagram application. Then we refresh it, just like this, easy peasy. Then we click on the profile picture. This is located in the far right, okay? And remember to watch this video step by step so you don't make any mistake, okay? Click on it. Then the next thing you want to do is click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign is the three dots at the top. These ones here. Okay. Then just check it. You will locate account center. Under account center, click on the arrow here at the right. Then you want to click on password and security. Be very careful so you don't make any mistake. Okay. Click on password and security. Then click on change password. Okay. Change password. Click on the arrow there. Then here you will see Facebook and Instagram accounts, but you are interested in Instagram account. So you will only select Instagram account, because if you select Facebook, you will change the password for your Facebook account, because you know Facebook and Instagram are normally interconnected. So we select Instagram. Now you will enter your old password. Okay. Then enter your new password. Then re-enter your new password to confirm it. Okay. Then you click this blue button here for change password. With this, you'll be able to change your Instagram password. Thanks guys. Let's meet in the next video. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more educative tips like this. Thank you.